भगवते वासुदेवाय। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलं।
Srimad Bhagavatam does not name any particular type of religion. It says that religion, that system of religion is first class. Savai pungsang parodham, transcendent. This Hinduism, Muslimism, Christianism, they are all prakita, mundane. But we have to go transcend this prakita or mundane conception of religion. We are Hindus, we are Muslim, we are Christian. Just like gold. Gold is gold. Gold cannot be Hindu gold or Christian gold or Mohammedan. Nobody, because a lump of gold is in the hand of Hindu or in the Muslim. Nobody will say it is Muslim gold, it is Hindu gold. Everyone will say it is gold. So we have to select gold, not the Hindu gold or Muslim gold or Christian gold. When Lord Krishna said, Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam bhaja, he did not mean this Hindu religion or Muslim religion. These are designated. So we have to come to the platform where it is pure, there is no designation. Aham Brahmasmi. I am part and parcel of Krishna. This is real religion. Without this conception, any kind of designated religion, that is prakrita. That is not transcendental. So our Krishna consciousness movement is transcendent. Parodha. Savai pungsang parodha. Paro means above. Above the so-called religious system. So this is not our manufactured things. It is said in the Srimad Bhagavatam, in the beginning, Dharma projhita koitava atra. Any kind of koitava, pretenses or false, illusory. Koitava. Koitava means cheating. Cheating type of religion is rejected, thrown away, projhita. Prakrisha rupena ujjhita. Just like we sweep over the floor, we take the last particle of dust and throw it away. Similarly, to become Krishna conscious means we have to give up all these so-called cheating type of religious system. Because experience has shown that following the so many different designated religious systems, nobody has attained the platform of how to love God. Nobody has. This is practical experience. It is Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he introduced. But Lord Krishna gave hint that this is real religion. Mam ekang saranang braja. This is religion. Any other religion, system of religion, which does not train the followers how to love God, that is cheating type of religion. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Prema Pumartha Maha. Bhagavad says also, real achievement of success in life is how to love God or Krishna. That is the highest perfection.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare